say. It was handled by doctors, psychiatric doctors. So, before nandito ako din sa Langkuan facility, I talked to the bunch of doctors, sila head doon si Sosoro. So, we discussed things na it would be nice that it will cater to some patients who will be in a hospital where they can feel they're at home. So it is almost like home. So site here is somewhere in Mambaling, but actually Mambaling na underpass, Shop Twice, yan napita, ikuha mo other somewhere. It will be a 16-room private rooms that have a big space for the basketball court, so they can enjoy and you can do your activities, exercise and games, and maybe kids and masahe dito will do prior to as being assigned i-handle.
Ako ni i-time lapse
So you better have kung kayo na ninyo ang yung activities be handled inside the fair. Kaysa startup na inside ang room na aside. Then that will be under sweat or various and game will be around there. Or if not, it's on this Friday that we're going back with Mark, Bilbao, Miss Vegas, and I will go back there to formally sign the MOA para ma-fix na no. Then, schedule na itong the whole term ang inyong pag-suod ninyo by batch. Then, mugya po 2 days, manang atong ipa ang inyong buhaton katong sa mini-mental evaluation so facility. So, hopefully this year will be a full year for all the UC students who will be assigned in psychic. I'll be around to be with you. Kay si Miss Villegas pa, kung kinsa may utang niya, kundi buang sa niya kami ni Villegas. Maybe you were heard as mayroon ko niya kayo makas mo tambal niya. Niyang assign kinsa may i-handle mabuang, di buang sa. So, we'll just wait. Kung ready na si Kwek, you will Kwek you with the size on site there. Patay mo na ako. Napahuwi isang taon siya, ganina, indot na yung sharing niya nila. Marang naka-feel sa ko ba, at least mo na kung expect sa UC nga mga students. Kaya pag suod na kung bakulang nila, mukhaan sila magmuhat na sa pultahan, asam kami at doon sa niya, ano mo pa mapagsuod? Mawawag ko siya. Kung mag-nurse ta, hasta mo, babagain na yung mga lips. Eh, di mahimo nga, sinyasan mo pasyente. You have to talk. Practice talking. Ako din na problema ng practice talking. Doon na ako yung problema pagkatake na mo stutter ko, start of speech. Kurang narang-arang na galit ko. Kaya during my student days, tabihan niyo ko. Whenever there's our conferences, mga seminars among students of all schools in nursing, ako yung kasalanan sa school. I'll be MCing and even yung upcoming MC. It's nice to know and to talk. Pero mas maisal mo talk mo, naisod ang iyong talk. Kaya kung magsige na mong talk, kung unod na yung talk, kaya nung sa buwang. Di ba? You make sense when you talk. And also, don't be ashamed. How could you say something or tell anybody if you don't know how to talk? Especially with side patients. Di na pwede yung sinyasan. You cannot know what they want and what they are, but our problems they have. If you don't talk to them. Kaya ka na kasalaran ng kumantay, darang sa ang nurse na sa tablet. Mga mga pasyente, sir, di ba mo story ang pasyente? That's one way of non-communication, and it is your duty to let them talk to you in order to form a communication. I hope it will not happen again. Kabantay ko, di sila magstorya sa pasyente, pero asan sa nursing process mo, in nurse patient, relationship communication, may kayo mo masulat. May kayo communication, may buko, may ng pasyente, may conversation. Don't let yourself be as also a patient. Mag-monolog ng ka. Ang result is pasyente, karoon.
May I request the presidents of MNN, please, approach me please. Kunin niyo na, sir.